This is Yogi Fun's Yogi Kit. This is the Arabic version. Let's see what's in the box. So here's the leaflet, explaining about yoga and how to use the cards. There are also ideas for 4 activities, but actually we find that kids really love to invent their own games. I'll show you some of the beautiful illustrations that were made by an artist. They are funny and sweet, powerful. What's unique about this game is that each postcard also has instructions, and the instructions are actually a fun rhyme, as you can see here. Using these instruction cards with fun rhymes, kids can improve their vocabulary. And researchers show that learning is actually better when the entire body is involved. So we invite you to come and play yoga with us. Or as we love to say, let's play yoga.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe. We're building a community of global experts in communication, education and language learning. Join us by visiting our website www.languagelearningmarket.com, and be sure to tag #languagelovers on any social media platform to promote your business or products on our social feeds.